Ever wondered how a non-violent movement could shake the foundations of an oppressive government? Picture this. It's the early 20th century, and the non-cooperation movement is making waves across India. The Irish government, taken aback by the unexpected momentum of the movement, decides to step in. Their strategy? Imprison the leaders of the movement. But instead of smothering the fire, this move only stokes it further. The government's actions serve as a rallying cry for the people, their determination hardening with every attempt to repress them. The Executive Committee of the Indian National Congress, in a show of solidarity, cancels a planned visit by Yuvraj, denouncing the government's actions. As the movement grows, it spreads like a wildfire from Bombay to other regions, each area mirroring the others in their defiance. The government's plan backfires spectacularly. Their attempts to suppress the movement only ignite it further, paving the way for a revolution. Rather than quelling the fire, the government's actions only served to fan the flames. How did the government respond to the surging movement? And what effect did this have? As the non-cooperation movement swelled, the Executive Committee of the Indian National Congress made a decisive move. They cancelled Yuvraj's visit to India, a decision that was met with a violent reaction from the British. The Bombay Hartal, a peaceful protest against Yuvraj's arrival in November 1921, was met with brutal force, leading to the loss of hundreds of lives. Yet this did not deter the spirit of the people. The Hartal spread from Bombay to other areas, gaining momentum rather than losing it. The British government attempted to suppress this growing wave of dissent with measures that included indiscriminate shooting and looting, and by declaring public meetings invalid. In a further act of suppression, they arrested and imprisoned up to 30,000 Indians, including prominent figures like Gandhiji, Motilal Nehru, Lajpat Rai, and Abul Kalam Azad. Despite all these measures, the non-cooperation movement spread like wildfire, proving that the spirit of freedom cannot be suppressed,